Another ADHD myth is that you can't get support or an EHCP or IDP for a child with ADHD. It's absolute nonsense. What is very important is that we understand the profile of the child. Every single child with ADHD will be different because we're human. We're not aliens. It's really, really important that we understand their communication profile. How do they communicate? Do they have any areas of difficulty within their communication? And remember, that's not just speaking. Communication is much bigger than that. We would also want to understand the way they learn and their sensory profile, as well as lots of other things. So it's really important to give our ADHDers a chance and get them fully assessed through the statutory process. We've got tons of resources to help you with all of this. I've popped all the links in the comments below.